How's it going, my friends? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about the Chery Omoda 5, giving you a little bit of everything we could find in this video, and with that being said, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you like this video. Again, thank you so much for watching. Let's jump into it. We've seen the MG ZS and Haval Julian storm up the sales charts thanks to the pricing that undercuts name brands, contemporary design, and reassuring warranties. The MG is currently Australia's single top-selling small SUV with 18% segment share, a remarkable effort, and while the Haval isn't done quite with that, it still owns 5% segment share and has outgunned the better-known Honda HR-V this year. The next cab off the rank will be the Chery Omoda 5, a sharp-looking crossover that will hit Australia in 2022 and looks set to ramp in earnest in 2023 once the highly ambitious company gets itself established. Remember Chery? It had an unsuccessful crack at the Aussie market between 2011 and 2014, with the budget J1 and J3 hatchbacks and J11 small SUV through a deal with independent distributor Attico. But Chinese brands move fast, and its product looked to have come a hell of a long way inside the past decade. As someone unfortunately enough could have driven a J1 many moons ago, that's good to see because it was a shocker. As was reported a couple weeks ago, Chery claims to be well down the track preparing for its Australian relaunch, this time through a factory-backed operation. It has nothing official by the way of dealer appointments, but its advertising roles in Sydney include that of branding manager. The first product it sells, which expected it to arrive in the next few months for early market evaluation, if not full sale, it's an edgy-looking small crossover called the Omoda 5, a vehicle developed by experts beyond China firmly in mind. Omoda 5 will be an important model that Chery will introduce to the global market when it is launched in Asia, South America, Australia, Africa, and Europe. The company was quoted as saying, "So what does the Omoda 5 bring to the table, and why does it stand a really good chance of success in these times of growing economic hardship and dramatically ramped up prices from established brands?" Well, the Chery Omoda 5 is a compact crossover SUV produced by Chery. The Chery Omoda 5 was previously known under the codename XC. This was before the launch, and it was unveiled during the Auto Guangzhou 2021. Omoda is the name of the new Chery Global Product series following the Tigo series. According to Chery, the letter O from Omoda represents brand new, while Moda means a fashion trend. Chery Omoda 5's silhouette? Well, the Omoda 5 is the first crossover SUV model of the Chery 4.0 products that features Chery's newly developed Art in Motion design language, which was set to be launched in 2022's second quarter. The interior of the Omoda 5 is equipped with two integrated and curved 10.25-inch high-definition digital screens. This offers intuitive control of driving, climate, and entertainment settings. The powertrain? Well, the Omoda 5 was launched with a Kunpeng Power 1.6-liter turbocharged Actico TGDI engine. This is with 197 HP and 290 Nm, mated to a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, a version powered by a naturally aspirated 1.5-liter engine, and a version powered by a turbocharged 1.5-liter engine with a 48V motor. Mild hybrid was added later. What about the overseas markets? The Omoda 5 was launched in the Chinese market in 2022 and produced starting in February 2022. This had a scheduled launch on various overseas markets, including the Indonesia on second quarter of 2022. In August of 2022, the car has entered Australian and New Zealand markets under Chery Omoda's name, while on the Russian and Kazakhstani markets, Chery decided to create a separate Omoda brand for its crossover to sell as Omoda C5. Kuala Lumpur, the Chinese car brand Chery introduced the Omoda 5 late last year, which marks the brand's global rejuvenation, and before making its way to the other international markets, including Malaysia, the compact crossover has gone on sale in China first. I'll dive a little deeper into the Chery Omoda 5 price and specs. How much does it cost? Well, the Chery Omoda 5 price in China starts at RMB 92,900, RM 61K, and goes all the way up to RMB 128,900 or RM 85,000. What powers the Chery Omoda 5? The Chery Omoda 5 comes with two engine options, 197 PS, 290 Nm, 1.6-liter TGDI turbocharged unit, and 150 156 PS by 230 Nm, 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder mill. Pricing? Well, the B segment SUV is offered in 7 variants in the home market with a price ranging from RMB 92,900 RM61K to RMB 128,900 RM85K. The designs and dimensions are based on the Art in Motion design language. The SUV features a huge front grille edged by styling LED headlights and daytime running lights. Towards the rear lies the sleek taillights, steeply raked rear glass, a bold skid plate, and high-mounted exhaust finishers. This is depending on the variant. The car rolls on 17 or 18-inch wheels. Against the measuring tape, the Chery Omoda 5 measures 4,400 millimeters in length, 1,830 millimeters in width, 1,585 millimeters in height, and has a wheelbase of 2,630 millimeters. The engine and performance. As for the mechanical setup, the Chinese buyers who get 2 engine options: a 1.6-liter TGDI turbocharged petrol mill generating a maximum power of 197 PS and a peak torque of 290 Nm. The power is set to the wheels via a 7-speed DCT. Another option is a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, which is good for making 156 PS and 230 Nm. In this case, the shifting duties are handled by a 9-speed sequential shift gearbox. In terms of performance, the bigger engine enables the SUV to run from 0 to 100 km per hour in 7.8 seconds. Well, depending on which car you get, the interior of the Chinese spec Omoda 5 is kitted with 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment display, a fully digital instrument cluster, a Sony audio system, 64 color ambient lights, and a negative ion air purification system. When will this be coming to Malaysia? Well, the Proton X50 and Honda HR-V Chinese rival is expected to hit the Malaysian showroom soon. It has been recently sighted in Petilong Jaya while testing. Along with Omoda 5, Chery will also launch the Tiggo 8 Pro and Tiggo 7 Pro in the local markets. And my friends, that's going to be all for this video. Thank you so much for coming by the channel. We were so excited to talk about the new Chery Omoda. Let us know what you think in the comment section below. With that being said, again, if you watch this long, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, do anything to engage with the video. It means so much to a smaller channel like ours. We're really trying to build up over here. So with that said, again, we will see you in the next video.